in the freezer with the fat bird I just purchased. Liking this published job. Look at that thing. That's a thick old bird. Gonna catch a shark on it. Look at that thing. This is the juiciest chicken I have ever seen. I mean, look at that thing. I mean, that is a juicy little bird. Got the hook right there. Bam. Snag. Rough fucking night at the inlet, man. I got dirty dog fucking shitted on, dude, all over fucking everywhere. Fuck. I just flipped this cone up at the inlet. Widow. Birdies! Dude, look how good it looks today. Hella pallets. Might have to snag one. Look at that. Beautiful. Deadly though. Man, that's Portuguese man. Portuguese man. We're back because I couldn't get them the other few nights, man. We're back. Let's go. We're about to go send her out, dude, so I can actually see what's going on. That's a big old hook in that little chicken right there. The bottle is literally going out, dude. That chicken was hard as fuck to throw. Where's the bottle? It's there. Right on that wave. Passed it. Cleared it. It's going out. I mean, I don't know how far this thing's gonna go out, dude. I didn't throw it very far. We hooked up on something. It's the chicken they like nowadays. It's the chicken. You know it's the chicken. Oh yeah, they like that chicken nowadays. Ugh. They like that chicken. It's all about it. All about the chicken. Slippery. Slippery. Yeah, a little one. Down. Here we go. This shark looks like a piece of its tail has been bitten off by a hammerhead. It's not fresh. It's healing. But my God, that's crazy, dude.